Shanborlang nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shanborlang marbanyang lalaban Pynliem no yaurang yakura na Arunachal Pradesh Kumar Gurung. Hakaransan yakura jong ka Arunachal Pro Boxing kabalalong hakasing satjan ha itanagar. Uni uklur yakura ka jelaw lalaban Pynliem no yaw Gurung Lyngba ka technical knockout tang hakawat ka baningkong. Hadian balalaban Pynliem hapo madan hadu arsian hakajuk kawat jong ka kerdan yakura super flyweight sanpu 8 kilo. Kani kalong kasin kabalay bo Shanborlang badiw kun ubapra. Napedeng ki sipaw ngut ki kun jo kong siplenda marbanyang basa ha pedeng snong umlingka kabaha apa shilong un korea ka jingjop. Ka jingjop ka baningkong ka day ha ka Marine Pro Boxing Promotion haus nam arajar arpuar kabalalong ha Mumbai barkumju ha ka professional boxing kabalalong ha Dangshan mentaus nam ha Gujarat. Ha kujuk kapor uni orang yukura syam la syarem watang sisin ru handai ulaya khat lai sien Lyngba kani ka jingjop Shanbor badang arpulai snam karata un pen kre bane ya shimenta ka sin ka baningkong ha ka International Fight Pro Boxing ka manong ha ka arpu santrik mentau bana nong ba Delhi.
Round 1. Arunachal Pro Boxing 2023. Let's bring the hype back. Gurung fighting against Shanborlang Marbanya. On the red corner we have Shanborlang. On the blue corner we have Kumar Gurung. 4 rounds. Each round 3 minutes. Fight! On the blue corner we have Kumar Gurung from Arunachal. On the red corner, Shanborlang from Meghalaya. Each round is 3 minutes. Shanborlang looking very focused. Oh. Kumar Gurung with the defense. First fight, Arunachal Pro Boxing. Ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing Meghalaya versus Arunachal. Meghalaya on the red corner, Arunachal on the blue corner. Both looking very focused. Kumar with the attack. Kumar looking good. Shanborlang. First round. Whoa. Blue corner. You are witnessing Arunachal Pro Boxing only in Mopen Solon ground. Beautiful approach by Shanborlang. Oh, is this? Okay, this is a knockout. Give it up. By technical knockout, winner is Shanborlang Pynliem from the red corner. The winner is from the red corner. Time of stoppage 2 minutes 52 seconds. Round 1, technical knockout. Big shout out to Kumar Gurung from the blue corner.